we will solve another word problem on the applications of HCF. What is the greatest number that divides 247 and 181, leaving reminders 7 and 5 respectively? Hint: if the question asks for the greatest, largest, maximum, or highest number that divides all the given numbers exactly or leaves specified reminders, then we need to find the HCF. Step 1. Since the given numbers leave reminders, subtract the respective reminders from them. That is, 247 minus 7 gives you 240 and 181 minus 5 gives you 176. Step 2. Let us find the HCF of 240 and 176. Since these two numbers are larger, please use Euclid's algorithm. Step 1. Divide the larger number by the smaller number. In this case, when we divide 240 by 176, we get 1 as the quotient and 64 as the remainder. Step 2. If the remainder is not 0, then the remainder becomes the new divisor and the previous divisor becomes the new dividend. In this case, 64 becomes the new divisor and 176 becomes the new dividend. When we divide 176 by 64, we get 2 as the quotient and 48 as the remainder. Since the remainder is not 0, repeat step 2. In this case, 48 becomes the new divisor and 64 becomes the new dividend. When we divide 64 by 48, we get 1 as the quotient and 16 as the remainder. Since the remainder is not 0, repeat step 2 again. In this case, 16 becomes the new divisor and 48 becomes the new dividend. When we divide 48 by 16, we get 3 as the quotient and 0 as the remainder. Step 3. If the remainder is 0, then the last divisor is the HCF. Therefore, HCF of 240 and 176 is 16. So, the greatest number that divides 247 and 181, leaving reminders 7 and 5 respectively, is 16. Got it? Thank you for watching. For more word problems on HCF, please subscribe to my channel and watch the complete playlist.